Hello my dear VLSI aspirants. Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about sign magnitude representation, 1's complement representation and 2's complement representation. Using a simple example, let's start. P, Q and R are the decimal integers corresponding to the 4-bit binary number 1000, 1100. Considered in sign magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement representations respectively. The 6-bit 2's complement representation of P plus Q plus R is, first of all, we want to find out what is P in decimal number. They said P is sign magnitude representation. Therefore, if it is 1100, the MSB represents sign bit. It's 1 means it's a negative number. And you take the magnitude, because usually in sign magnitude representation the MSB will be the sign information and the remaining bits regarding the magnitude. That's it. That's what the procedure. Fine. So it is like this is in decimal 4. It's minus 4. Done. Now you take the Q. What is Q? It is in 1's complement representation. You take 1100 only. This is your 1's complement representation. Now you do one thing. This is 1100. Calculate the decimal representation as per the 1's complement representation. Usually the procedure is, if MSB is 1, it's a negative number. If MSB is 1, it is a negative number representation. You want the decimal number, then apply again 1's complement representation and then convert into decimal. So if you convert this into again, apply 1's complement, you will get 00, you will get 1100. Then guys, if you convert this into decimal, you will get 3, that means minus 3. Again, R is regarding the 2's complement representation. The number is 1100. As usual, MSB represents the sign. See, MSB is 1, then it is a negative number. If it is a negative number, apply again 2's complement to this and convert it into decimal. That's it. So apply again 2's complement. It is 00, 1, 0. Now you convert this into decimal. What is that? 4. Hence, it's minus 4. So guys, finally, as per the given representation, we've calculated PQR. P is 4 minus 3. R is equals to minus 4. You add them. P plus Q plus R. It is like minus 8 minus 11, right? Minus 11. We want to see this minus 11 in 2's complement, because the question says the 6-bit 2's complement representation. Okay, minus 11. What is the procedure? It is a negative number. Therefore, it has 2 steps. That is, step 1. Even though he asked for negative number, we want to represent in positive numbers only. The sign bit for positive 0 and that 11 in magnitude representation, it is like 1011. Right? This is magnitude and this is sign bit. But here they asked for 6 bits. But here we got only 5 bits now. So here what you can do is, between the sign bit and the magnitude bits, you can add any number of bits as per your requirement. That's it. I want 6 bits. Hence here I am adding 10 between the sign bit and the magnitude. Now step 1 over. Now what is step 2? Simply apply 2's complement. By applying 2's complement, here it is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So it is 110101. The 6-bit 2's complement representation of P plus Q plus R is 110101. In this way, you can represent any decimal number in a sign magnitude representation, 1's complement representation, 2's complement representation. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you find this video useful, please share and comment your opinion. Right? So see you soon in the next video. This is Shivaram signing off. Jai Hind.